research. There are 4 routes. First 3 routes are fast track, and they would require from you a job offer, fellowship, or grant. So let's put those aside. Route 4 doesn't require any of those things. You can just apply as how you are, but there are certain requirements for you. Number 1, you need to have completed PhD. Number 2, you need to be an active researcher. So it has to be a job title in your CV. You need to be doing research work and publishing work, and we say a minimum of 9 publications in a major scientific journals. You might have patents, you might have grants, you might have inventions or anything like that, but this is not mandatory. A lot of scientific research comes with presenting the research at conferences, so that is also required. And now let's talk about tech professionals. So there are certain categories in terms of your experience and background of people who can apply. Number 1, founders, co-founders, and C-level executives at tech companies. Technical employees of tech startups or technical employees of non-tech startups who are doing something new or working in a new field. Business employees like product managers of startups, scale-ups, and unicorns. Venture capitalists and anyone related to venture at a senior level. That's pretty much it. Who is not going to be considered is fresh graduates, entrepreneurs at the very early stage with no funding, no traction, no sales, no downloads, no users, no customers. Any tech person working kind of in consulting field like ERP, process delivery, service delivery, etc. Lots of professions like HR, lawyers, or accountants, financial analysts that are just generally not eligible, step 1. And then in terms of your background, on top of the general years of experience, etc., you need to engage in some sort of activities outside of your occupation. So it could be open source projects, it could be mentorship, it could be public speaking, it could be doing some non-profit work, organizing groups, anything. Awards as well could be personal to you or the company you own if you're a founder, or for the projects you worked on. Ideally, you would have some media recognition, articles about you or your company or the projects you worked on. And OC4 also allows some scientific research. So for example, we have clients who are in medtech and they've developed something, they got patent or published some papers in scientific research as TechNation applicants. I've put all of that into the guide. I'm going to publish it quite soon in the bio of my profile. So if you're interested to have it all together, structured, and then answer all those questions yourself to see if you qualify and you're eligible, download that.